everyone, in my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 22 student story record from database using Laravel 12 and tuition classes in Laravel 12, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Call and WhatsApp 919941599815 anytime. This is the WhatsApp number is available, and this is a paid service successfully run. First of all, this is my gem server started Apache and MySQL, and this is my project is this available, and this is already run, and this student inside this is a less, this is a PHP admin run, and this is a database is available student, and this is a student table is available. Click the student, this table inside this record is a implementation this store. First of all, inside this new button is a set. Let's start this video. Resource view, this is a user student, and this is a student inside this is available, this is available student list, this is a student list. Let's inside this comment this and save file and refresh this page successfully comment. Let's inside this new button is a implementation step by step. Let's first of all, this is a div is a create div and class this div class deflex, and between this is a class is a implementation, and this is a s5 is available student list successfully student list class mb0. A tag is a create a tag srf class btn success, and this is a I tag class fa plus, and this is a fa plus add student, the same name is a student. Save file. Let's refresh this page successfully. This is a student list is available, and this is a add student. They successfully working fine. This is all good. This is a class is a inside this is a my mistanding, and this is a deflex is a implementation deflex in justify successfully. This is a okay. This is a contain between you st justify. This is a deflex justify contain successfully. This is a message show less all code shared and refresh this page 100% this student list, and this is a add button is successfully all good. This is a working fine. This is a not used. Let's remove, and successfully all good. Let's srf click url this same name copy and add. Save file and refresh this page. Click this add, and the same name copy route web.php open route get paste here student controller class, this is a student add only, this is a add. Save file and refresh this page successfully. This is a misstanding, this is a add file is the same name copy and student controller open. This is a student controller app http controller, and this student controller inside this new public function paste here add, and this is a dd, and this is a dd d and die, and save file, and this is a function is a created. Let's refresh this page 100% d is a show good working. Let's return redirect return view super admin dot student students add save file student add. Let's super admin is available. Super admin inside the student, inside this is a add file. Let's new file is a create add blade.php successfully create, and this is the number is a set, and refresh this page. 100% is a show. Good working. This is a fine. All successfully set. Let's inside this implementation. This is a blank. All good. This is a blank. Let's step by step form is a set. First of all, this is a content is the same. Now copy and paste here, and section is a end section. Save file and refresh this page successfully. This is a student. Click this inside this add. 100% is a show. Good working. This is a add. Let's inside this form is a save. This form is available. This name, email, phone number, address, birth date, and registration data is automatically. Let's implementation form. Form is a step-by-step implementation. First of all, this is a div is a create. This is a div. Let's index file, and this is div is available. This div same here inside this form is a same step-by-step implementation, and this is a step-by-step all implementation. This is a bootstrap form. Add student. This is the same name is a add student, and this form is a start. This is a deflex inside this form is a start. First of all, this is a name is a, this is a name. Save file and refresh this page successfully. Good working. Let's refresh this page. Please wait, and this file is a save. Successfully this is available. Add a name is available. This is a name. Next is a email. Same name is a copy and paste here email. This is the email. This ID is a remove, not use this ID. Enter email. The email same. This is a ID. Forest ID is a not useless, remove. Only extra all code remove. Save file and refresh this page successfully. This is the name, email is show. Next is a phone number. This is a phone number. Save file and refresh this page successfully. This is a phone number. Only number is a implementation phone number. Next is a address. Same name, copy and address. And this is a text area, class, and same copy, cut and paste here, and this is a remove, and this is a address. Save file and refresh this page successfully. This is the address. Next is the implementation date, miss registration date. Registration date is a birth date, not a registration. This is a date. Date successfully. Date is a set, and this is a not use placeholder. Automatically date show. Let's refresh this page, and this is a date is a successfully show. This is a date. Good working. This name, email, phone number, address, and date of birth. this available name, email, phone, address, and date of birth. All good. This is a successfully set. All good. Next is a last is a submit button is a implementation. Submit button is a submit button is a successfully this submit button. All good. Please step by step write down. This is submit button. This is a compulsory is a field is a required. This field is a required. Gmail this .com, mobile number is a implement, address, and this date is a compulsory. All is a compulsory is a required. This field is a required. Next is a method action, method post, and this inside this CRF token is a implementation. Auth inside this available, forget password, and this token is available. This is a paste here, successfully paste, and this is a method is a post method, and a route same here, copy. This is a route, copy and paste here, and this is a post, and this is a store, same name. Let's copy this name and public function. This is a public function, create public function, paste here, request $request, and this is a dd $request all. Save file. Let's insert this is a open. This first of all this is a name. This is a name, email. This is a name, phone, and this is a name, address. Last is a name, birth of date. This is all name, birth of date. This is all set, name, email, phone, address, and birth of date. Successfully all set. This is a name, email, phone, and last is address, and last is a this is a date. All good. Let's refresh this page and fill up this data. Name is a user, this email account, in this email account the phone number, and this is the address, and this is a inside this is a select and submit. Successfully this is a available. All good. This is a all successfully show. Good working. This is a fine. Let's step by step. This is a name is available. This name, email, phone number, address, birth date. This is available. Name, email, new, and phone number and address. Let's first of all this is inside this same name, copy, and this model is already included. This model, this is a student model is available, and this is a table name. This is a student table. Let's same name copy, comment, $save is equal to new, paste here, $save is equal to trim, $request, and this close this same name, copy paste. This is available. Name, email, phone, address, and this is birth of date of birthday, and $save and save. Return redirect. This is a admin student list. This is a list with success record successfully create. Save file. Successfully record is a create, and this is a list route is available. This is a list route. All good. This list is available inside. This is a include include, this is available, this is include, and this message file is include. Successfully include this message file, and this message file is available inside this success message is available, success message. All step by step writing. First of all, this is a route is available, this is a index file inside this available, and this step by step this store data, and this is a form is a step by step all implementation. Let's refresh this back button, click this and refresh this page, and this is a click this. Inside this is a 2 record is available in this database is a 2 record is available, as it is a 2 record is a show. Please wait, this is a loading data table, database table. Successfully loading, good. Let's click this add. Inside this is a hello Mehul at the gmail.com, Mehul at the gmail.com. This is a number is a set, this is a dummy number is implementation, UK London USA. This is a pin code, this pin code, and this birth date is a implementation, this is a birth date, this birth date, and submit. Successfully created record successfully, and this is a successfully record is a created, this birth date, all good. This is a created, successfully created, and I refreshes this page successfully, this refreshes. This is all good. This is a registration date is available by default registration, and this birth date. Let's again create this Gopal at the gmail.com password. This is a number is a dummy number is a set, Indian colony boost, pin code number, this pin code number, birth date is a select, this is a date is a select. Successfully set and submit, and this successfully, this is a Gopal, this is email account, this number, and this is a all good. This registration date is a same date, this is a today is a registration date is the same date is a automatically, and this is a birth date is a correct birth date is a implementation. Let's refresh this page, successfully created. This is a record is a 100% is a created, good working. This is a fine. First of all, this is a screenshot step by step as it is a working fine. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Any doubt, so please contact error solution code. We are help to help 24/7 WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. I am always available. And this my channel. Subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.